Today we're going to very favorite resort of all time on St. Pete Beach called the Sirata. We spend a lot of time there. There's 2 pools, 2 tiki bars, 2 different restaurant menus at least. I'm not even counting the indoor one because we never go there. Splash pad for the kids. It's right on the beach. We love, love, love it. So we're gonna go around there today and show you around, and hopefully you love it as much as we do.
Pool's looking pretty chill right now.
Splash pad.
What a great little place for Sirata Beach Resort.
Right there.
Guys, I'm so excited to see our kids playing together after all this time that we grew up working at Hooters. Now we're like a family and our kids are growing up together. This is the best. Cheers.
I'll go back to Mommy's.
Okay.
Is that what you were gonna ask?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're at the second pool at the Sirata. Come here, say hi. Oh, I thought you were. Hello.
All right, everybody wave. Hello. Bubba, hi. Backlit. I got all these pictures of them. They're so cute.
I think he discriminates.
There's Jess, coolest mom. Hi, baby. There's the Grand Plaza. We went to Bongos last night for dinner. So here's the room. This one's a suite, but it's got the city view. So couch, mini kitchen. So there's a sink, mini fridge, microwave, cabinet.